Did you know that wheel imbalance can cause uneven tyre wear? And that if left too long can affect steering and suspension components? Hi, I'm Clint, and this is Automate Training. With this in mind, unbalanced wheels are more than an annoyance, they're a safety issue. Find out all about wheel balancing in this training module. Here's a quick look at what you'll learn. Be sure to familiarise yourself with the operation and maintenance instructions of the machine in your workplace before beginning any task. A conventional balancer needs 3 measurements to accurately calculate imbalance. These are rim offset, rim width and rim diameter. We'll show you how to find these during the setup process. Begin by removing any dirt, debris and old balance weights. Remove any hub spaces or centre caps and then locate the correct centre cone for the rim. If balancing steel wheels, the cone and spring must be slid onto the shaft first. Then we mount the rim and finally we attach the bowl and quick release nut. For alloy wheels, the shaft should be left clear as the cone will be fitted from the outside. This helps prevent marking the alloy rim face with the bowl. Once the wheel is securely mounted on the machine, we can take the 3 required measurements. To find out more and access the most advanced technical training available, visit our website and unlock your automotive potential today.